Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Pisces. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Pisces. I'll be picking few cards from each deck, guys, and I'll be giving the angels guidance message at last. The Sun, High Priestess, King of Wands. Pisces, with these cards, I feel you're moving towards wedding, guys. Your person wants to get married to you. They feel this relationship is honest. You are a trustworthy person, and they love you. They have affection, and they feel very happy and fortunate to be in this relationship with you guys. And they feel uh, what to say in your physical life, in your position, work, you are settled, so they want to take the next step towards marriage. So they may be coming with a proposal, guys. They want to propose to you, and they have that what to say they feel they have this good compatibility with you. This may be your energy, or this may be your person's energy towards you guys. So they are moving towards this marriage alliance, guys, or engagement. They just want to get engaged to you or get married to you. So that is the energy here, guys. Let us see what is coming up. I'll be picking few more cards from the other deck. Child, cross. With these cards, Pisces, I feel you are up for some new beginning in your life. Maybe this wedding, this married life, or you're moving into what to say committed relationship, or this may be regarding your work. You may be starting something new, some kind of creative endeavor, something related to art, painting, drawing, singing, something regarding to art, guys. And what to say, maybe for some of you all, in your emotional level, you may be spontaneous about certain things. You just want to let go of your past and reinvent your new self. So some kind of new emotional being you're becoming, guys. So that may also be the energy here. Maybe for some of you all, what to say, you may find that you feel certain limitations in your day-to-day life or in your relationship, and that is the reason you want to take it up to the next level, guys. You are happy to be there in this relationship, be responsible in this relationship, and you are happily accepting the burdens of a married life. You feel that this is a destined connection, and universe has brought you together for some reason. So that is the way you feel, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you may be spiritually growing also, guys, after what you have faced, whatever trials and ordeals you have faced in life. You are in this happy mode. You want to stay connected to this person, you want to be there with this person, and so you are stepping up into this unity, guys, unity with your person. So you are looking forward to this engagement or this committed relationship, Pisces. This may be your energy, or this may be your person's energy. So let us see what the angels are guiding us to do today, Pisces. I'll be picking one card from this deck. Gratitude. So often in life, we rarely see the blessings we have in life, whatever it is, even material things or the people in our life, whoever is there around us, we rarely see the true value. So the angels are guiding us today to see the people who are there for us, who love us unconditionally, and the things we possess, our house, cars, or whatever things important we have. So when we do that, we really feel blessed, guys, blessed by the universe for what abundance we have in our life. So we automatically open ourselves to more love and peace. We feel really happy for the blessings we have, and we really appreciate and thank the universe for the things it has blessed us with. So we open, when we do that, we feel that happiness in our heart for all the blessings we have received till now, and we feel really happy, and we open our hearts to peace and happiness, guys. So that is the angels guidance today for you all Pisces. So that is the reading, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Pisces.